Welcome, everyone. Today we will learn to speak English 30 daily use sentences. What can you do if you're feeling bored? We could play with a board game. Play with a board game. We could play table tennis. Play table tennis. I could read a book. Read a book. We could have a costume party. Have a costume party. We could ride our scooters. Ride our scooters. I could paint something. Paint something. I could read through my new book about dinosaurs. Read my book about dinosaurs. What could you do if you got a new cat? You could make it a cozy space. You could have playtime with the cat. Playtime with the cat. You could train your cat to go to the litter box. Train your cat to go to the litter box. You could cuddle with it. Cuddle with it. You could take care of it when it's sick. Take care of it when it's sick. You could celebrate its birthday by giving it a gift. Celebrate its birthday by giving it a gift. You could take it to the cat spa for a day. Take it to the cat spa for a day. What can you do with music? We could dance and move. We could dance and move. I could lead a song and sing along to it. Sing along to a song. We could have an exercise class. Have an exercise class. We could learn to play an instrument. Play an instrument. I could write my own songs. Write my own songs. I could use music to help me learn. Use music to help me learn. I could use music to relax or calm down. Use music to relax or calm down. What games can you play without any toys? We can pretend to be acrobats. We can pretend to be acrobats. We can run races. We can run races. We can tell jokes. We can tell jokes. Let's run through an obstacle course in the house. Let's run through an obstacle course in the house. Let's act like ninjas. Let's act like ninjas. We could make up stories. Pause the video and read the story. We could make up stories. We kids can dance it out. We can dance it out. You totally pulled that off. Well done. See you later, English speakers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.